Hey friends, guess where I took my embroidery adventures this time? The laid-back and stunning Pasikuda Beach on the east coast of Sri Lanka. Think swaying palms, endless sandy beaches, and that chill vibe that makes you never want to leave. I went for pastel green embroidery floss for the leaves because, well, it just felt right. The whole experience of stitching with the sound of waves in the background, pure bliss. A group of fishermen doing their thing, pulling in this massive net from the sea. During my vacation, I found the perfect spot to unwind and let my creativity flow. As the waves gently kissed the shore, I embarked on an embroidery project, stitching a delightful leaves pattern. Embroidering in such a serene setting is a true joy for me. It's a reminder that creativity knows no bounds, and nature can be the most inspiring canvas. Stay tuned for more exciting sewing and crafting ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for endless creative inspiration.